So special thanks to this company for sending me their continuous motorized and accurate water pellet gun. So they include something for your eyes, and it can shoot from 1 to 18 meters, DIY assembly, role play for fun, and a 0.2 second speed burst. So it's for ages 14 plus, and the top just says Peak Dual Science and Education Mode. And that's a little look on the side, a little look on that side, and the back's essentially the same as the front. And then gel bullet soak tutorial. Completely soak the gel bullets in clean water for 3 to 4 hours to obtain standard 7 to 8 millimeter ammunition. Pour 300 grain crystal shells into the bottle and add 100 milliliters of water. Soak for 3 hours. All right, so let's open this up. Take a look at it, see what it is. It seems like it could be something that's fun. Little plastic kids toy. Slide this on out. That's oh nope. User's guide at the bottom, and that's it for the box. And so, M416 mini water bullet gun. You can see the instructions here to assemble it. And so let's, oh wow. Okay, so this has, so these are the pellets that you pour in with the 3 to 4 ounces of water. Some included glasses for eye protection. That's never bad. And then we have a very unique little battery here that is rechargeable. Plugs into this to charge itself up, it seems. It goes this way maybe? And then this just plugs into a USB port to charge the single battery, which from what I can see, more beads, blue ones. So this is a little toy gun. There's semi and auto, which is pretty cool. The back here is where that little battery fits into place and plugs in with a little connector, and then that gives you that full auto speed. And so it looks like and so essentially take this part, and this part kind of slides onto here and goes down to here and locks into place, so that this, with the beads in it, can screw into here so you can fire. And then of course you've got this, which doesn't do anything, it's just made to look cool. You also have a little string here, so you know, you got a couple spots where you could tie this, and you know, bam, 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 bam. Pretty cool. And here is our barrel. It just slides on, all pops together very nicely, and actually doesn't feel very cheap. Like, it feels like it's good quality items here. So bam, are you able to release this? But that's essentially what it looks like.